स्टार्टिंग से हम लोग सुनते गए खुल के गाओ, बट खुल के गाना डेफिनेटली डजंट मीन कि आप चिल्ला के गाओ ताकि दूसरों के कान से खून निकल आए. व्हाट डज खुल के गाना मीन इज व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन इन दिस वीडियो. Now, khul ke gana means singing with an open tone and a balanced volume. So for this, we are going to use the example of the song Bhigi Bhigi. Now, I'll first demonstrate the wrong technique in which many people sing. Na jaane koi kaisi hai ye zindagani. You can feel that this is definitely not a relaxed jaw. Nothing is open over here, and that's why there's a lot of pressure in the throat, and it's definitely not helping you sing freely. Now, an open tone means you're properly shaping your vowels, especially a, o, and e when you're singing. So let's try the same song with the open tone technique. Na jaane koi kaisi hai ye zindagani, zindagani हमारी अधूरी कहानी. It's much more easier to sing this way because then the sound gets much freer space to vibrate in and to come out.